Hello guys, to a brand new video of Coding C. In this video I will teach you how to turn Unity from light mode to dark mode. First we need two things. We need Unity obviously, and we need to download HXT. So we go to this website, the link will be in the description, and we go to down here in the English and we download it. After it's downloaded we open it up, and as you can see it has nothing. That's because we need Unity now. So let's go to localhost. Okay, once it's downloaded we need Unity, so let's go to local disk, program files, we go down here to Unity, we go to hub editor, and now we have to choose if we're either gonna choose the 2018 editor or 2019. I'm gonna choose the 2019 one. We go to the editor, now we go down here, drag and drop Unity over here. As you can see we have a lot of numbers and letters, but we cannot change it, as you can see, and this is because it's inside of the Unity file. So let's remove that, close it. Let's go to the file. In order to change the values in it so it turns dark mode, we need to drag and drop it over here, continue, and drag and drop it inside again. And as you can see, if we change something we don't get glitches. Let's go back right now. So let's hit search, find, and change the data type to Hex-Values, select all. And as you can see right now, there are different hex values for each version of Unity. And right now I'm using the 2019.2 version of Unity. So I'm gonna choose this hex value. Press OK. And let's change it to the 75 to 74. Let's save it. As you can see, I have a new file right now. It's called unity.exe.spec. Let's close this. Let's bring them both inside. Replace. And let's continue inside. And right now it should work. As you can see, it have worked. The entire engine is dark mode for free. And I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe for more, and see you next time.